Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have the Wacom Intuos, you guys can see. This is a drawing pad. It's used so you can draw on your laptop on digital softwares with this, like as if you're on like a pencil, you guys can see, right? That's the front. So it's a pad and then there's a pencil, you guys can see that, right? On the back, it tells you what it has. So it comes in black. It says it has 4K, it's a 4K pen, it's battery free, and it has 4 express keys, right? And it also comes with 3 bonus softwares, which are Clip Studio Pro, Corel Aftershot, and Corel Painter. See the back? Okay. Now, there isn't really much, so I think we should start opening it. So I open it like so. As you can see, that's the pad. And then pull out the pad. And once you pull it out, you see a couple of things, right? So first thing is this cable. This cable is a USB to micro USB cable, and this micro USB cable is a 90-degree cable which plugs in right here, right? So it plugs in like that. It then comes with a couple papers. Let's quickly look at these. One's just some like warning and safety stuff, and then this one here is the important one. This one tells you how to set it up. So what you have to do, you connect to your computer, download the drivers, and then once you download the drivers, you can then use it, right? And then on the back, it shows you how you can replace the tip of your pencil. This is both the pencil and the pen, right? Pencil here has 2 buttons, which I guess you can switch between eraser and pencil. Here's the pencil itself, and then in the back, like they said, you can remove this. It has extra tips. Yes, let's see. Comes with 3 extra tips, which you can probably buy more. Then we have the whole pad here. Pad here comes with 4 buttons. You guys can see, and then there's a pencil holder right up here. Oh, the pencil right up there. Right? You guys can see. It's really small. Now let's go ahead and plug it in. So we have a whiteboard open here. You guys can see if I hover over, it moves it around like it's a mouse, right? And then once I click it, it disappears and I can start drawing and stuff. You guys can see that, right? This also sounds like a real paper, and it like feels like one too, so it's like way easier to draw like that. You guys can see? Let me try drawing mine. Let's try this. So see, let me erase it real quick. If I click the buttons up here, so now I have shift selected all, and I can select multiple at once. I can't select multiple, so these all have different functions which you can customize, and in the app you can customize what these buttons do and everything. So they're really cool pen. This compared to the Apple Pencil on the iPad, it's really different since this one is like towards your laptop, and then when you look at it, you're like drawing from like a different perspective, I guess. But this one also feels more like a paper, unlike the Apple Pencil, right? Yes, and see that again, right? So, I mean, this is pretty cool and all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. If you want to subscribe to our channel, remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.